Under the stars and the whispering trees lies Blaby the bear in a world full of peace. With fur soft as clouds and a honey sweet smile, he welcomes all children to stay for a while. He hums a tune that floats through the air, a melody made of love and care. Blaby the bear with a heart so kind, he'll listen to your dreams, leave your worries behind. He hums a sweet song as he tucks you in tight. With Blaby beside you, the world feels just right. But when the sun rises and the birds start to sing, Blaby wakes up for a magical spring. He calls out to children, come join me today. Let's dance in the forest and sing as we play. Then, hey Blaby, let's twirl and skip. Let's follow the butterflies, hop and zip. Let's race with the wind and swing through the air. Adventure is calling with Blaby the bear. They climb over mushrooms big and round, slide down rainbows to soft mossy ground. They sail in a leaf on a chocolatey stream, laughing and splashing in a jelly bean dream. They find a tree that giggles and glows, where lullaby lanterns hang in rows. Let's light them together, Blaby says with delight. We'll carry the stars into your dreams tonight. Blaby the bear with a voice like the breeze, he sings lullabies through the rustling leaves. He'll cuddle you close in the soft evening light. With Blaby beside you, the stars shine so bright. Now the sun's drawing down and the forest is still.